Hello and welcome to another Parweld TV. Today we'd like to introduce to you our new member of the family, which is an APT Plus. This is slightly different to what we've seen before. This is a fully pulse synergic industrial machine. If we have a look at the front panel, it's quite easy to select what you want to do in respect of wire feed speed, setting your amperage, or even material thickness. As an example, as we see now there, the highlighted wire feed speed is highlighted there at 6.1. And if you don't like running at wire feed speed, you like to rather set it at amperage, we can go down to amps and we can set the amperage. Or if you have a material thickness that you're not sure of where you need to be, that will automatically come in and sort that out for you just by putting your plate thickness in, should we say 3mm, and then when you weld it'll come up with a value. The voltage is automatically set because we're on synergic control, and away you go. Now moving on across the screen, we have the voltage control, which is also able to look at program selection and also trim values. Now what I mean by trim, if we go into that function there, we can change your stick out of your wire when you're actually working on synergic control. So we can go on to minus a figure right up to 10 and also a plus figure right up to 10. But ideally we always try and set the machine working from 0. So this actually gives you more wire or less wire depending on how you set up your equipment and how you like to run. Coming down, we also have settings for a 2T and 4T. Now that's to do with the torch trigger function, which we'll probably see a little bit later on. So just by selecting and clicking either or, you can go into both of those programs, and some nice selection programs into that for gap welding and crater filling and hot starts. In the bottom part of the screen now we have a selection for materials, wire size, gases and type of process that we're going to use, along with some special processes. So we've got steel, stainless steel, aluminium and aluminium silica. We have a range of wires from 0.8, 1mm, 1.2 to 1.6. A range of gases to suit those materials, and also we have also got pulse and twin pulse and synergic selection on there as well. So as an example, we'll say we want to try and weld with some stainless steel 1mm. So we're going to keep on wire feed speed. I'm going to go to stainless steel. It comes up with a job program there straight away, which is highlighted in the main menu. I'm going to select my gas, which is already selected for me, but I'm going to select my welding wire, which is 1mm. I've got my gas selected. I'm going to keep in synergic, but I think I might try a little bit of pulse just to keep the heat down and get rid of some of that spatter. So I'm going to go into pulse and I'm ready for welding.